You've probably already had an encounter with someone who doesn't take care of their personal hygiene. Those people usually have a bad general smell, very dirty clothes, or a terrible bad breath. People nowadays have a lot of problems with bad breath. It is quite common in many people nowadays. There are even some cases where people really brush their teeth, but it is simply hard to remove what is causing their bad breath. It can be a meal that they consumed or a bacterium that could be present in their mouth. Bad breath can be very difficult to remove. Numerous toothpastes and mouth-washing liquids can be found on the market, and they all promise to help, but they can be pretty expensive and they're actually full of chemicals. Luckily for everyone, we have taken the initiative to present you a natural remedy that is going to help you get rid of bad breath forever. You will need 2 lemons, 1 cup of lukewarm water, half a spoonful of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon of honey. Preparation: add the lemon juice along with the cinnamon and the honey in a bottle. If you do not have the honey, you can also use bicarbonate. Then, add a cup of warm water and shake everything well. Use 1 or 2 tablespoons of this natural remedy to gargle and spit it after several minutes. Cinnamon is helpful because it eliminates the bacteria which are causing bad breath. Honey possesses antibacterial properties and bicarbonate helps you whiten the teeth. Lemon offers a very pleasant aroma and is the perfect solution to destroy any bacterium that could have stayed in your mouth.